Imagine a robot that's not just a machine but a helper, a worker, maybe even a friend. Tesla's Optimus is aiming to be that and more, an AI-driven humanoid robot to change our lives. Welcome back to Brand Intel. Today we are diving into Tesla's revolutionary new project, the Optimus humanoid robot, announced by Elon Musk as a future of human assistance. This robot promises to do everything from daily chores to heavy lifting. While we are used to seeing Tesla in the electric car industry, Optimus marks a huge leap towards robotics. But what makes it so special?
While the artificial network allows Optimus to self-learn new tasks, its computer vision system ensures that the robot accurately perceives its surroundings and objects. In the promo videos Tesla's shown us before, the vision system simply allowed it to recognize objects in color, sorting them out accordingly. The reality is, this vision enables Optimus to accomplish tasks you wouldn't even expect. Thanks to this system, the robot can analyze and accurately identify everything around it. For example, when moving around the house, Optimus can recognize objects like tables, chairs, even a cat lying on the floor. In more complex industrial environments, especially in a massive factory like Giga Texas, Optimus will also optimize terrain recognition capabilities. It can transport goods while ensuring the safety of those around it, recognizing obstacles like people, machines, and cargo, and deciding on the safest route to take. One of the standout abilities of Optimus, thanks to its advanced computer vision, is its ability to detect hazards. For example, it can spot sharp objects you might actually leave out while kids are playing nearby, or even worse, someone trying to break into your house with the intent to steal or attack you. It sounds scary, but when people often ask what humanoid robots can do, this is one of the best examples to illustrate their potential. Equipped with around 8 2D cameras and sensitive sensors, it can identify the shape and size of weapons or the actions of strangers. If it detects anything suspicious, it'll alert you or call the police, so you really cannot underestimate Tesla Optimus's vision. When you look at the images of Optimus using and interacting with computers, it's clear that it can also serve as your personal assistant. In the recent photos Tesla shared, it can type on a keyboard, use a mouse, hold a smartphone, and even handle an envelope while talking on the phone at the same time. More incredibly is the image of it holding a pen to write on a piece of paper along with many other activities. These images are pretty darn impressive because they show how Optimus's hands and perform just like a human's would. With these capabilities, Optimus could become a valuable office assistant, helping you manage daily tasks. For example, it could quickly and accurately respond to emails, contact partners to send necessary documents, and remind you about your work schedule. Optimus could even organize meetings by suggesting suitable times for everyone and noting down important points during discussions. With its impressive actions and flexible movements in an office environment, the idea of an Optimus as an assistant does not seem that far-fetched. In fact, it's possible that one day it'll be standing next to you, helping you work much more efficiently and making more money. There are many other tasks Optimus could take on, like educating kids or participating in EV production at Tesla, which Elon has already talked about. However, it's hard to go into detail since we still need to wait for its launch and final performance specs. There are about 5 more updates that Elon announced for the Optimus Gen 3 version. In addition to its hands, Optimus will feature a new design using lighter materials to reduce the robot's weight. This design will include new features like LED lights and a display on its face to show work progress and status. Another upgrade will be movement speed. Right now, Optimus goes at a speed of about 0.6 meters a second, which is kind of slow, but Tesla plans to boost that from 2 to 3 meters a second. This upgrade will require movements in hardware components like motors and joints to enhance efficiency and stability.
It's built to be a helper, not just an autonomous device, but something that can interact, react, and even think based on the task at hand. Let's break down what this robot can do. Optimus is designed to perform tasks that are repetitive, boring, or dangerous for humans. Think warehouse lifting, assembling line work, and even household chores. With a human-like form, it's capable of moving with balance and dexterity. Tesla claims that Optimus could one day replace human labor in many industries, sparking some big questions about our future. Now here is where it gets really interesting. Critics argue that a robot capable of human tasks could lead to massive job losses. The Optimus vision is thrilling, but it also poses ethical and economic questions. Will robots replace humans in the workforce, and how far should we let them go? Elon Musk insists that Optimus will be there to support humans, not replace them. But with this much potential, there is no telling what direction the future may take. Is Optimus the beginning of a robotic workforce or a personal assistant for every home? Tesla has plans to bring Optimus to market within a few years. As AI advances, this robot could go from being a helper to something even more integrated into our daily lives. Imagine a future where a robot handles all the tasks we don't want to, freeing up more time for us. So what do you think? Is Optimus a dream come true or a potential disruption? Watch out for our next video as we explore more innovation from the world's biggest brand right here on Brand Intel. Ciao!